talk about doctors and you talk about service to our community, then yes, we need those people that in those positions. So, but I want to know what is the value of the degree when it comes to, let's say, a man who works his way up in the company, who starts in the mailroom, who doesn't have a degree but works, learns his company, works his
We're
way up
not
in the company.
excluding anyone.
I'm sorry.
We're not excluding anyone, and I don't or
Okay,
belittling or
but and
diminishing.
that's
But I
that's
believe
what I'm
what
saying.
Shannon was, Sister
So
Shannon.
so what I'm asking is, how is it that this degree brings this man value, or some professor saying that he's educated, than him learning on the job and becoming the master in that field himself or herself? How is this degree more valuable than that education and learning on the job and growing through that? How does that degree add up to say that this person is less valuable because they don't have their master's degree? How is they less valuable? But they're running the company, or they know how they don't learn the job so much that they learn how to start their own company.